Next time you guys walk the aisles in Walmart, okay, make a note of the soil. It's not just soil you're buying, okay? You're buying biology, soil biology. So you want to look at all of these brands. I'm gonna pick three of the most popular ones and let you guys know. Yes, we have a whole range here. We have Expert Gardeners, Pennington. I don't know this one. I'm not too familiar with it. We have Organic Mix, and this is another good one. Then coming up tonight, we have Back to Roots. And you have Walmart, Hallmark, new brand. Okay, so we're gonna discuss them. Here it is. It's all soil. Okay, so you have to pay attention to all of it. You have topsoil here. It says cotton mix here. Garden soil here, and numerous varieties. And of course, they have mulch. Mulch, we're gonna look at that as well, but that is a good one. I have all types of mulch because some of it is black mulch, some of it is rubber mulch, so be careful. But now I'm gonna lay the soil out so that we can look at it and we're gonna analyze and let you know, okay? Alright, so the first bag I want you guys to know about Miracle-Gro. This one says Cotton Mix. This is a popular one, a popular brand that people pick, which I understand because the advertising is good. First it says grow plants twice as big, okay? It feeds up to 6 months, blooms more colors, fertilizer, all of that. But let's read it, okay? Let's read what it says. Okay, so now what I want to show you is it has an ingredient section here where it tells you total nitrogen, available phosphate, soluble potash. Okay, I'm not seeing anything as it relates to fertilizer. Okay, but what I noticed with some of these brands, description can be very vague, but one thing I can tell you, if you want something that grows quick, that grows fast, and veggies with shallow roots, this is a good one. So it is a quick go-to, so that is why people always go with it. The other thing too is the consistency. Let's see. Okay, here it is. It doesn't look bad. Yes, I see compost material. I see something like fertilizer in it. This looks like synthetic. You know, that is not what is, it's not very plain on the bag, so that is a problem. Okay, the other bag here is Back to Roots. This says organic. I like to see that word. Hopefully it's true, but it says organic cotton mix, and it tells you what to plant in it. All purpose, herbs, veggies, fruits, and flowers. Okay, so now let's look at the label. The label here, it tells you the ingredients. Cotton mix formulated with XYZ, where it is made, what is in it, the nitrogen, the available phosphate, and the net weight, all of that. It tells you it has peat, and it even directs you other places to go, how much you put in a pot. You can scan here and see something and thing, and it tells you it contains non-plant ingredients and what is in it. Okay, so by looking at this is more true to what it says, organic cotton mix. And what I like about this, the ingredients in it is clearer. You can clearly read and follow along what is happening. And it also is more specific to tell you the plants that you can grow in this soil. So when you're shopping for soil, one of the good things, I mean, just take the time, because some of them are very much thorough in terms of their labeling, so it can help. Okay, moving on. Expert Gardener. Okay, this is Walmart's now go-to soil, and their brand soil, and it tells you specifically formulated for fruits, flowers, veggies, and herbs. Okay, this is an upgrade to the rest. It helps promote strong roots, feeds up to 6 months. Let's see what the back says. Okay, oh, this is very much clear and very much big. I hope you're paying attention, because now they want you to see what's in it. Nitrogen, phosphate, potash, and it is derived from what? And the fertilizer materials that is in it. all of that, okay? And it gives you direction as well, all right? And it feeds up to 6 months. Now, let me look at the consistency. I think I showed you guys already too, because this is one that I use. You can see that this has more bark in it. I see fertilizer as well, you know, and it is less dry than the Miracle-Gro. I didn't show you this one, so let's see. Okay, this one definitely feels more sandy, you understand? But I see bark and debris in it just the same, and it feels that way. So my advice to you, if you want quick, shallow, fast growth, Miracle-Gro, because this is instantaneous, okay? If you want convenience for you and your crops, then go with this, okay? If you want longevity in terms of soil health, then go with this back to roots, okay? And Expert Gardener is my brand of choice. I'm not sponsored, this is not a sponsored video, but I'm letting you know, because this provides the most complete foundation now for you to add to this soil with your compost mix, your compost tea, and then build it to everything. So my advice to you is, when buying soil, it's not about just the soil you're buying the soil health. Because remember, if the biology is good, then the roots of the plants will be good, the produce will be good, and it's better for what you're putting into your body, okay? So that is what you should look at. So what I'm going to show you now is the plants that these can plant. Miracle-Gro, you want instant, quick feeding. These are good for some of your herbs, like the thyme. It grows fast and it spreads quickly. This is a good one for that, okay? For the back to roots, you have crops that are deep rooted, tomatoes, your peppers, and whatever. This is for organic roots, okay? Anything that feeds deeply, harder and more, organic soil. And for expert gardeners, everything, okay? Expert gardeners can be the baseline for everything, because remember, it's not the plants itself that you're feeding the soil so that the soil can feed the plants. And this can grow herbs, whether heavy feeders, deep rooted or shallow rooted, that grows faster. Deeper plants like peppers, tomatoes, and your ornamentals, your beauties. You can use this for everything. So that is why this is my soil of choice, okay? So follow along with me. Let us grow together, learn together. Deb here with another one. Freedom Gardening. Check us out and let's grow together, okay? So that is my take on the Walmart brands of soil. Of course, there are many more, but these are the go-to more popular ones that people normally choose, you know? Of course, this is the cheapest one, so people always go for the cheapest, but what can you do with the cheapest? You have a more sophisticated brand that is very much good and you can use. And you have the quick fix that a lot of people go to, okay? So there it is, me signing out. Until another one. Take care. Bye.